What's up everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and the Rideshare Hub is a channel all about Uber, Lyft, and other gig apps. So if you drive for any of the platforms, give the video a big thumbs up. Just to let you guys know, even if you don't drive, that's okay, you are welcome here, but just know that a lot of our videos are directed towards drivers and delivery drivers. So if you're thinking about doing Uber or Lyft, making some extra money in a number of different ways, consider subscribing and leave the video a thumbs up, please. That's all I ask. So today's video is a bit of a sad one. This is all about safety. Warning, safety. If you are a passenger, this is a safety warning. If you're a driver, this is also a safety warning. I want to inform you guys how to act as a driver and also how to act as a passenger. Uber and Lyft, I will just say, is a fantastic way to make some extra income. Helped me pay off 2 credit cards, pay off my car, and just get ahead in life. A ton, helped me out so much. However, it's not all fun and games. There are some bad things that go on. As you can see on here, on MSN, aka CNN, said they thought he was an Uber driver, but when he drove them down a dirt road, they called 911. I don't blame them. If my driver was driving me down a dirt road, and it wasn't the correct road, I would be calling 911 too. Let's look at this. Police in Hilton Head, South Carolina said 2 women were lucky to escape unharmed, thank God, after they fled a purported Uber driver who drove them down a dirt road and grabbed their phone when they threatened to call 911. The women, who weren't named, told the Beaufort County Sheriff's Office that they ordered an Uber outside a Hilton Head restaurant early Friday and were met by a man driving a dark SUV. The women knew that the man was not their Uber driver, but they thought they saw an Uber sign on his windshield, so they got in. So they knew that the man was not their driver, but they saw an Uber on his, I don't know. The passengers, one in the front seat and one in the back, gave the driver the location of their vacation home on the south end. Yeah, they didn't notice that he was driving north until they ended up on an unfamiliar dirt road. Something felt was wrong. The front seat passenger said she told the driver that she was calling 911, and he grabbed the phone from her hand and stopped the SUV. All 3 got out, and the man approached the passengers. The woman grabbed her phone back and dialed 911. The man jumped back into his vehicle and sped away. Police arrived minutes later. Police haven't located or identified the driver. They don't know whether he was a legitimate Uber driver or a driver from a similar transportation company. The Uber rep Grant Klinsman questioned what the story had to do with the company and cited a story from April about push notifications employed to combat fake drivers, an ongoing issue. Yeah, that's insane. The Senate approved it 1 month later with the added provision that drivers must also display their license plate numbers in front of their vehicles. And those who misrepresent themselves as rideshare drivers will be fined or imprisoned. Wow, I didn't know that actually. That's crazy. So if you are a passenger, double check that you have the correct car. When you order an Uber or a Lyft, it says the license plate. Walk to the back, walk to the front, make sure it's the correct license plate. As a driver, this can also go both ways. You have to, gosh, guys, literally, SMH. So if you guys don't know me, hi, I'm Dylan, by the way. I work out probably 5-6 times a week at night, usually, typically. That's when I like to work out. Plus my gym is really crowded, so it's not busy at night. The closest parking is like a parking garage and you have to pay, so I usually just Uber there. Not once, and I'm doing this 5-6 times a week, there, and usually back. Not once have I ever had a driver come up and ask me what my name is. They always just let me in and just say hi. However, when I drive, and when I always tell you guys to do, which I know a lot of you guys do, but I also know a lot of you guys don't, but you should start doing this for safety reasons. I always keep my doors locked. Whenever I do a pickup, I do the same exact thing every single time. Just get into the habit. Keep your doors locked. Drive up. You see your passenger, it looks like your passenger. You roll down your window. Don't open up your car door yet. Roll down your window. And I always say, whether I'm driving for Uber or Lyft, I always say, hey, are you waiting for an Uber? Or hey, are you waiting for a Lyft? And they'll say yes, or they might say no. you know, then that's not the right person. You say, okay, I'm just waiting for somebody. If they say yes, then you say, okay, what is your name? Then they tell you your name. Then you look at your app, make sure you have the correct person. Don't just let the people in your car. This can run into so many safety problems. Sometimes people are just trying to get a free ride. They hop in. As long as you have a person that comes in, at least it's tracked through the app. Dash cams are important. If you want to get a dash cam, you can buy one on Amazon for 50 bucks. You can buy one for 200 bucks. It depends what kind of want, which one you want to get. The $200 one has good night vision. The other ones are still pretty good, but maybe not so great at night. Safety first, guys. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe out there and don't let this happen to you. All right, bye guys.